Hey everybody, how you doing today? Good. Long time, it's been a while since I've done a video unboxing, so I figured let me just do another one here. I ordered this particular RC from banggood.com. As you can see here, it is the KYAMRC, it says flash car. I ended up ordering the gray one with the red roof on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the video unboxing for you guys. Basically, it is a 1/16 scale RC. So I'll take it out of the box here. As you can see, I literally just opened it up. Get my trusty knife. So basically, from what I understand, this is like I said, it's a 1/16 scale RC. Actually, looks quite nice, and it's got a matte gray finish to it. It's got the obviously remote that comes with, and of course the charging system is it's got a proprietary plug to it, so it's got a special plug. So let me just open it up here. USB one end, and it's got a special plug for the battery charger. So obviously it's not Dean's or JST, so it's got its own plug. And the receiver, transmitter I should say. Very similar, as you can see, to the Zingli Hong series of 1/16 style trucks. The transmitter is basically a standard 2.4 gigahertz transmitter. It's got the power switch here, throttle trim, and steering trim. So it's got a nice foam grip to it. So it's you know, for what it is, not bad. I mean, and these are, you know, pretty inexpensive. I ended up getting it a little while back. These days with the pandemic going on, everything's slower. So I think I ordered this about maybe 2.5 months ago. So it did cost less than what it does cost now. But anyways, I'm just gonna open it up a little bit to show you guys. Yeah, it's got styrofoam all over the place, so let's see what we got here. I think I'm gonna end up probably taking this tire off or something if I can, just to get it out of the way, but all right. Okay, so the body, it seems to be metal. Yeah, it's actually metal. So it's not plastic or Lexan, so it's quite nice actually. It's got a cage underneath of it. Like I said, it's got the matte black finished, so it's quite nice. All right, so everything is somewhat hidden here, but I'll show you guys what I see. So basically, this looks like it's little latch system that opens up the battery compartment. Lithium ion. Twin 18650 batteries for a total of 7.4 volts, with of course the proprietary plug on this end right here. Okay, so that would go in here, and of course the latch would go on. It kind of slides in and across, and then you push this side down, and of course the little pin to close it all up. So it's different, but it's definitely secure. Kind of keeps everything in place. Everything is basically covered here, but underneath here is a 390 size motor, so it's a brush setup. Here's the on-off switch for the ESC. Okay. There's a port here to plug in exterior lights if that's what you would like to do. The shocks seem fairly stiff actually. They are friction coilovers, as you can see, friction shocks. So it looks like this will probably be one of my first mods to replace them, because they are quite stiff. I'm not exactly sure why they're so stiff, being such a lightweight vehicle. I mean, it does have a bit of weight to it. It's got plastic cups, plastic dog bones, and plastic cups as well on this side, and the same goes for the front. So of course, this one here, if you decide to do so, you can always snap these off and solder a Dean's connector in here. And of course, you can throw in, say, a 2S LiPo into here with a Dean's plug. That should give you enhanced performance straight out of the box. if you want to choose to do so. But I'm going to run this as is, like this for now. I'll also do a video just to show you guys what it can do in this form, and then of course if I decide to make some mods to it, I'll do another video like as I've done in the past, and go from there. Okay, so yeah, I really like this. I was expecting this to be plastic, but it's metal. So yeah, and it's got some weight to it, so that's how you know, obviously. So yeah, I'm gonna take off this tire here because it's just it just gets in the way when you put the pins in to secure the back end of it. So that's gonna be another small mod that I'll be doing. But yeah, anyways, in terms of the rest of the body, the rims are painted the same color as the body, matte finish. So it's got a pretty nice stealth look to it, kind of thing. Of course, I'll be changing these shocks straight away because this is just not. Some people may like the stiff ride. I personally don't. But yeah, it's something that I'm going to change straight away. But that's just me, of course. So I guess that's about it. And yeah, this receiver takes this normal, usually 3. Looking at the size of this, some of these are a bit of a hassle to come off, and this is proving to be one of them. But by the look, oh, it needs a screw here. So there's a screw right here. So you got to unscrew that. And then of course, it looks to me that you need 3 AA's for here. Charge up the lithium ion battery and you should be good to go. Okay. So again, this is the KYAMRC 1898A. There's a 1899A, different body style. I actually like the desert racer style buggies, which is why I chose this one. And like I said, I'm glad I did because like I said, the body's got a metal construction to it, so it's quite nice, and it lends to the weight, which will of course lend to the stability as well. That's about it. Alright guys, if you have any questions about this RC or any of the other RCs in my fleet, please by all means let me know, leave a comment below, and I'll answer any questions that you may have. And I guess that's about it. Alright guys, until the next one. Cheers.